Anybody that knows me knows that every once in a while I just wake up in the morning and I choose violence. Well, today is one of those days. Now I'm gonna pit this up against that. This, about $1. That, about $3,000. Now you're probably wondering what these two things are. Well, if you didn't know, I can find things under the ground using these, and we're gonna pit these up against the $3,000 locator to see how accurate these are. Because we know that we have an electric line going from there right over to that panel there. The test today, which one works better? So all these are is just some copper wire, and this is probably like number, geez, maybe number 4 or something copper wire. Might even be bigger than that. But all we did was straighten it out and then turn it into 2 90-degree angles. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk along with our kind of our elbows tucked in like this, these held straight out. So if we cross a utility, it should cross like that. Now, another fun fact is if you look right back over my shoulder right here and you see that roof, well, that's a pump house and that has a well in it. I witched that well using this very method, and that well never runs out of water, ever. Did another well that I didn't witch for right over there, and that one doesn't have as good a water as that one did. If you don't believe this stuff works, hopefully we can make a believer out of you, or you can just tell us how terrible we are and that we cheated the system. So somewhere between here and the panel right behind you is a power line. So if I walk in a straight line here, just like this, we should get these things to cross. And I don't know exactly where it is, I just know about where it is. So we're gonna put a mark right here. We'll paint that in orange. This, however, not the right color. Power should be red. When we mark it with the locator, we'll mark it in red so that you can tell the difference between the two. I'm still coming up with right about here. Yeah, somewhere in here. Now granted, this is not going to be as accurate as the locator, but what we know it does is it comes out here, swoops, goes over here, goes straight, goes to the panel right here, and then there's a far panel for the shop. So we'll see how accurate we are. Right there. So what we're using is a Schonstedt Rex. We're using an inductance clamp. So all we have to do is clamp that around one of the conduits, put the clamp on. We make sure that this little arrow down here, there's an indicator arrow right here that is in the direction of the pipe. So you just lay that which direction you think the pipe's going. Set both the frequency on the wand and that to the same frequency. And then we're gonna go see if we can find it. Way off. I like to hit my depth just to verify we get a good reading. Yeah, we're about 3 feet deep right here. Somewhere right in there. So sweeps this way. So we were off quite a bit right over here. Pretty close right here. I'm gonna try one more time over here since I don't know where this is. We will give it another shot over here on the conduit going up here. So I don't know anything about where this is, but just somewhere out here. See, this time I'm getting it over here, but it's got to be somewhere close in here. Sitting right there. I didn't even walk that far. It's not a very straight trench at all. So there's a couple of different things to think about. Is like over here we have a whole bunch of sprinkler lines that'll actually pick all those up as well. Because we are detecting like underground water, there could be underground water sources. I don't know what's under the ground here. But I didn't even walk over on the pad. I'm gonna, hang on, wait, we'll do the blind test. I'll do a blind. I will close my eyes. Yeah, so like it's coming close. Now I'll walk this way because we know we turn, and I'll do that blind as well, and we'll see if it can figure out because I won't be able to see where any of that stuff is. So I'm gonna walk straight this way where it turns into the building. Hopefully I'll walk straight. I have no idea if I'm even walking straight. Yeah, there you go. legitimately, I think that, is this a perfect system? No, probably not. Can it get you out of a bind and help give you an idea of where something is? Yes. Is a locator better? Yes. Is this $1 and that $3,000? Yes. Is there more insurance with that than there is with this? Absolutely. But in a pinch, if you're looking for random things out in your pasture or whatever else, this can be a valuable tool. Maybe you need to drill a well. Boom, works perfectly. That will not detect water. I have found lots and lots of things witching, but it is not a perfect system, as we've shown here. So proceed with caution. If you don't want to use caution, call your locate company, or you may want to have your own locator. Always better to call a locate company. I'm Mark with SWI, and I get to driving all these posts. If you want to learn more about how to use the Schonstedt locator, check this video out right over here. And if you want to learn more about how we drive our posts with our post drivers, check this video out right over here. And until next time, I hope you have a good dang day.